Next question from exercise 1D is question number 7. Verify the following. So here we have question number 2. So in here we have an equation. This before this is equal, before equal, this is known as the left hand side, and after equal, this will known as the right hand side. So you see, in an equation, an equal sign separate the left hand side with the right hand side. So now what we have to do is we have to prove left hand side must be equal to the right hand side. Okay, we have to prove this. Left hand side equal right hand side. So let us see the left hand side first. The solution, left hand side. Left hand side equal minus 15 by 4, minus 15 by 4, multiply 3 by 7, 3 by 7, plus, so plus, minus 12 by 5, minus 12 by 5. So this is the left hand side, this will be equal, so this is right hand side. So minus 15 by 4, multiply 3 by 7, plus minus 12 by 5. So always remember this BODMAS. BODMAS, the B stands for bracket, O stands for off, D stands for divide, M stands for multiply, A stands for add, and S stands for subtract. So in here, since B comes first, which is the bracket, isn't it? So we solve first these number which are in the bracket. So we solve first this. So we got equal minus 15 by 4. We left it right there. Minus 15 by 4. Multiply. So multiply. So solving this in bracket. Remember, this is a rational number. This is a rational number. And this is a plus sign. So that means we have to add. So previously, we have learned about addition of rational numbers. What do? We find first the LCM of the denominator. So denominator here is 7 and denominator here is 5. So LCM of 7 and 5. LCM of 7 and 5, we will get 7 1 are 7, 5, 7 5 are 5 1 are 5. So we will have multiply 7 multiply 5. So LCM will be equal to 7 multiply 5, and this will be equal to 35. So now we have got the LCM to be 35. So again, what do we have to do? Remember, the second step is the divide. Divide LCM by the denominator. So for the first fraction, what do we have? 3 by 7. The denominator is 7. So 35 divided by 7, we will get 5, isn't it? And this 5, again, we have to multiply it with the numerator, which is 3. 5 multiply 3. This is addition sign, so plus. This is, so for the next fraction, minus 12 by 5. So again, here we have to divide. LCM divide by denominator. So LCM is 35 divided by denominator. Denominator here is 5. So 5. 35 divide 5, we will get 7. 5 1 are 5, 5 7 are 35. So we will get 7. So we write 7. And this 7 we have to multiply with the numerator, minus 12 minus 12. This will be equal to minus 15 by 4 multiply 5 multiply 3, we will get 15, plus 7 multiply 12, 7 multiply minus 12, 7 multiply minus 12. So 7 2 are 14, carry 1, 7 1 are 7, plus 1 equal 84. This is a plus 7 and this is a minus 12. So plus multiply minus, we will get minus 84 divided by 35. And this will be equal to minus 15 by 4 multiply 15. This is a plus, this is a minus. So in order to open up this bracket here, we have to multiply the sign. This is a plus and this is a minus. So plus multiply minus, we get minus 84 divided by 35. Closing the bracket. So minus 15 divided by 4 multiply. So now we have 15 minus 84. So 15 minus 84. This is a plus 15, isn't it? Since there is no number, so we write plus. So again plus and minus, we will get minus, and this minus the result here, it means we have to subtract. So remember, always write the greater number first, which is 84. 84 subtract 15. So 4 minus 5 we cannot subtract, so we carry it from 8, and this will become now 1, and this will become now 14. 14 minus 5 we will get 9. 7 minus 1 we will get 6. So 69. So we write here 69. 69. Now remember, this is not done yet. We have to look at the sign. This is a plus 15 and this is a minus 84. So which is greater? Definitely 84 will be greater, isn't it? Between 15 and 84. 84 is greater. So we have to write the sign of 84. And remember, the sign of 84, the sign of any number is always in front of it. So which is this minus. Minus 84. So minus 69 divided by 35. So here we have solved the bracket, and we just write minus 69 by 35, and we do not write any bracket. So here we have equal, let me just write here, minus 15 by 4 multiply minus 69 by 35. So if we look in this expression, we see that we can cancel out 15 and 35, isn't it? With the, because they have the same, the common divisor, which is 5. 5, 3 are 15, and 5, 7 are 35. Can they cancel out again? No, they cannot cancel out again. So we just left it right there. So this will be equal to this. Remember, this will be minus 3. So minus 3 by 4 multiply minus 69 by 7. And this will be equal to, so this is a multiplication. So we just multiply numerator with numerator. So minus 3 multiply minus 69 divided by 4 multiply 7. 4 multiply 7. So this will be equal to 3 multiply 69. 69, 3. 3 9 are 27. So I write 7 and carry 2. 3 6 are 18. 18 plus 2, we will get 20. So 207. This is a minus, and this is a minus again. So we have to multiply minus. So we get plus. So we write plus. So since it is a plus, we do not do anything. So we just left it there. 207. 4 multiply 7 will be equal to 21. So we have the left hand side as 207 divided by 21. Sorry, 28. 4 multiply 7 will be equal to 28. So now we have the left hand side equal to 207 divided by 28. So we have to prove the right hand side also to be equal to this right hand side also to be equal to 207 by 28. So now let us look at the right hand side. Right hand side equal minus 15 divided by 4 multiply 3 by 7 bracket plus, so plus minus 15 by 4 multiply minus 12 by 5. Multiply minus 12 by 5. So let us solve this. Now remember, but must always first the bracket. So here we have a bracket. So we solve first the ones in the bracket. So we solve first here equal minus 15 multiply 3. This is a multiplication, isn't it? So we just multiply minus 15 multiply 3. Remember, numerator with numerator and denominator with denominator. Divided by 4 multiply 7. This is a plus sign, so plus minus 15 multiply minus 12 divided by 4 multiply 5 equal, so minus 15 multiply 3. 3 multiply 15, we will get 45. This is a minus, this is a plus, isn't it? So minus into plus, we have minus. 4 multiply 7, we will get 28. Plus, here we have 15 multiply minus 15 and minus 12. So minus 15 minus 12. So multiplying 2 5 are 10, 2 1 are 2, plus 1, we will get 3. 1 multiply 5, we have 5. 1 multiply 1, we will get 1. So 0, 3 plus 5 equal 8. 1 plus equal 1. So this is a minus, minus. So minus multiply minus, we will get plus, plus 180. So since we have plus, we just write 180 alone. We do not write the sign plus. 4 multiply 5, we have 20. So now what do? We find that else we have to add here, isn't it? This is a plus sign, so we have to add these two rational numbers. So again, we have to find the LCM of the denominator. This is 28, LCM of 28, and this is 20, so LCM of 20. So 28, 20, remember always the least number first. Let me just do the common divisor. So let me just write root 4, because 4 can divide 28, 4 7 are 28, and 4 can divide 20, which is 5. So now, so let me just write 7 1 7 5 5 1 1 5. So we have LCM will be equal to 4 multiply 7 multiply 5. Remember, we just multiply this side here. So this will be equal to 4 multiply 5 equal 20, and 20 multiply 7, we will get 140. So we have the LCM to be 140. This is the LCM, we have 140. So now the next step is we have to divide. Divide what? Divide LCM by the denominator. So let us take first for this fraction, minus 45 by 28. This fraction minus 45 by 28. So LCM is how much? 140. So 140 we have to divide by the denominator. Denominator here is 28. So 28. And this will be equal to 5. 28 1, 28 5, you will get 140. So this 5, now remember this 5 we have to multiply with the numerator. So this numerator is minus 45. So 5 multiply minus 45 plus. So again, denominator LCM divided by denominator. LCM is 140 divided by denominator. Denominator here is 20. So 20. So 20, 140 divided by 20, you will get the answer as 7. So 7 multiply the numerator, which is 180. So now we solve for this. Equal 5 multiply minus 45. We will get 5 multiply 45 minus 45 multiply 5. 5 5 are 25, carry 2. 5 4 are 20. 20 plus 2 will get 22. This is a minus 45 and this is a plus 45. So minus multiply plus, we have minus. So minus 225 plus 7 multiply 180. 180 multiply 7. 7 0 are 0. 7 8 are 56. 7 1 are 7. 7 plus 5 equal 12. So 1260 divided by 140 will be equal to 1260 minus 225. So 1200 minus 225 and plus 1260. So here we have a minus sign and a plus sign. So minus and plus, we get minus, and this minus tell us to subtract. So we have to subtract. Remember, always write the greater number first. 120 minus subtract 225. So this is 0 minus 5, so it cannot subtract. So we carry it from 6. This become 5, and this will become 10. So 10 minus 5, we will get 5. 5 minus 2, we get 3. 2 minus 2 equals 0. 1 So 1035, 1035. So now remember the sign which is greater, 225 or 1260. 1260 is definitely greater than 225. So we write the sign of 1260. So this is a plus sign. So we write here plus. So since it's a plus, we do not write anything. So 140. And remember, we can cancel out these numbers. 1035 divided by 140. That will just cancel out by 5. So 5, 2 are 10. This is now 40. So 5, 8 are 40. So this becomes 28. And the numerator, 5, 2 are 10. 5, 0 equals 0. This is 35. So 5, 7 are 35. So this becomes 207. So now we have the right hand side equal to 207 divided by 28. So this is the left hand side. First we have solved it in the previous, and this is the right hand side. So you see they are equal. They are both 207 by 28. So hence we write left hand side equal the right hand side, isn't it? This is what we have to prove, isn't it? Left hand side must be equal to right hand side, and hence we say that it is very fine. So now we have done question number 7. I have done for you question number 7 too. So please do question number 7.1, question number 7.3, and question number 7.4 from exercise 1D.